Hello everyone. My name is Xiaoyu. I'm 25 years old. I'm a student of Rajamangala University of Technology, Tawan. My research topic is promoting cultural tourism, Laoshan tourism district in Tsingtao City, China. My presentation will include these five parts. Part 1, background. Part 2, methodology. Part 3, method. Part 4, include. Part 5, picture presentation. Part 1, background. Tourism itself is a cultural industry, but also one of the important means of cultural communication. Culture is the source tourism is an important way of cultural development. The cultural tourism industry is a closed industry, sunrise industry. It plays a vital role in economic and social development. It not only plays an important role in the adjustment of economic structure, con, coordinated development of regional economies, and explains opening to the outside world, but also signifies the growing control of the people. It's an important way to improve people's living standards, build a harmonious society, and achieve comprehensive, coordinated, and sustainable development. Part 2, methodology. I use both methods in my research. First, quantitative research method. For number one, distribute questionnaire. The questionnaire are mainly distributed to tourists who are 18 to 16 years old and have visited Laoshan scenical area, in order to ensure the recovery rate and ensure that 4,000 valid questionnaires and obtained. Number two, in-depth interview. This research is about the traditional tourist culture of Laoshan. The interview involved the tourism history of the insured destination, especially tourist cultural tourism. Second, quantitative research method. Collect materials through library, related webs, and related paper, including cultural tourism, tourist culture documents from the National Tourism Administration, and other related materials to obtain valid second-hand data. Um, after study their two methods, I will conduct data analysis with SPSS and SWOT. Number three, the following conclusions were drawn from the analysis of the data. First, the advantage. Number one, convenient transportation. Number two, tourism cluster effect. Number three, there are many tourist attractions in Laoshan tourism country. Number four, Laoshan tourist country is rich and well known. Second, disadvantage. First, the digging of the cultural connection of Taoism in Laoshan is not deep enough. Number two, Laoshan tourist cultural tourism projects are lacking. Number three, the overall quality of Laoshan tourist tourism practitioners is not high. Number four, low attractiveness to model people. To build an international tourism resort city, it's necessary to form its own cultural um, uh, correct, characteristic and Taoism belong to Chinese. The gorgeous religious culture and should have an important position in the process of cultural development. Therefore, we must pay attention to the development of Qingdao urban culture and increase the development of Taoist culture in Laoshan. At the same time, we must also pay attention to the challenge of development Taoist tourism culture. It's necessary to overcome the challenge brought by the exploration of the interconnection of tourism culture itself and the external environment. For next conclusion, first of all, for tourists, Qingdao Laoshan is the best choice for tourism. Can not only enjoy the beautiful scenery of nature, but also absorb the ensure of traditional Chinese culture. Tourism as a kind of religious belief, as a history of thousands of years in China through a long period of development and evolution. Tourism has a worth of content. In short, tourist counter tourism resource should be innovatively developed on the base of protection. And the development of Laoshan is inseparable from the role of Toast culture. The profound Laoshan Toast culture is the core competitiveness of Laoshan tourism, and it's the value optimization and the inevitable way to develop tourism in the future. Last picture presentation. This picture is toast store tables and cynical signs. And this scenery of the mountain. Coast scenery. This picture is mountain and sea. Last, this picture is homestay. Thank you for your watching. If you have any question, you can send me an email. I'm very happy to communicate with you.